Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial in the series. Today we're gonna discuss something really important. Yeah, like every day. So today we're gonna discuss on how to switch windows in Selenium. Lot of times you might see, not a lot of times, but few times you might need to switch to a different window in your test case. This website does have a really good example. Like if I do not know what the airport code is for the pickup location, I can just click on the airport and it opens a new window. See, and from this window I can just select the name that I'm looking for. So let's say San Francisco. Okay, so I can select this. If I click that, it has the code here, but if I click it, it closes the window and puts in SFO here. So for that, those kind of cases, we might wanna switch the focus of the window and then again switch back to the original window. So we're gonna cover that thing today. Let's start with the code. So let's create a new class. Also guys, I'm uploading the code as well on the Udemy, so you can access the code from there, refer it, use it. So the previous code is also uploaded, you can check that. So let's name it as switch windows. We don't need before and after class methods, and should be good. We might need few things from this, so let's copy them from our previous class. The references, we need to define these things. And let's name this test switch windows and throws exception. Looks good. Let's have this as well as copied because we want that. So let's put these things in our before setup method. We wanna instantiate our Firefox driver, give the URL, and maximize the window, put some wait time. We do not want to quit it, so we don't actually need the after method. If we want to quit, we can just do driver.quit, but I'll just comment it out because it just quits and you don't see what's happening. So in a test method, let's do a few things. Let's start. I'll actually put it at the bottom so you have more space to look at the test method. Alright, first thing, driver.get. What do we want to get is the base URL. It opens the web page. Then exactly what we want to do, we want to type in, we want to actually right away after that, after just getting the base URL, we just right away want to click on the airport link, right? So let's figure out the XPath for that. Looks like standard. Let's create a, this has text. So guys, we're using the relative XPath here, and as you can see, the standard tab is the ID for the table, so let's replace the star, and this link has the text airport, so I'm just using a text equals to airport, and we can use this XPath. Let's copy it here. So we wanna do what, driver dot find element by dot XPath and put our XPath in there, dot click, ding ding. Now what we're gonna do, we actually want to change the focus, right? So before doing that, let me explain you few things. uh, I'm just going to explain few things. Type out here Selenium WebDriver. It actually assigns unique ID to each window of the browser whenever the WebDriver object is instantiated, and those unique IDs are known as window handles. Now then, it uses those handles to switch between the different windows. So those are called handles. Let me explain you few things. So how do we get the handles? How do we get one handle? So let's say string handle equals to driver dot get window handle. It's gonna give you the window handle of the current window that has the focus. Then get all handles is let's say we want to cache them in a set because they're unique. Anyway, handles equals to driver dot get window handles. It's gonna give us all the window handles. So that's gonna do that thing. For switching, what we wanna do, we actually, okay, that's complaining, so import set to switch between these windows. Now what we can do is we can do a for loop. I hope all you guys know about this now, since we have covered this in our Java section. Let's say string, maybe call it as parent handle, so looks better. String handle in all the handles that we found in the set. So it's gonna loop through all the handles, and if the handle that we just got here is not equals to, see, because we want to switch to the new window, so we want to see that this handle is not equals to the parent handle. So if it's not equals to the parent handle, then just do driver dot switch to dot window and name of that handle. So this is gonna do our job. Let me make a comment out here. So switch to the new window handle, or maybe new window. Alright, after we have switched to the new window, we actually want to perform the action here, and then we'll go back. So after switching, let's see what we want to do. After switching, we want to click on maybe say San Francisco. So let's find the XPath for this stuff. This looks like it exists in something called content. Something has ID content, right? It looks like a big one. So and that thing is a div. Let's make the XPath. And now what that thing is, this again, this link has a text San Francisco CA. This should work. If we just get this, what exactly we want to do, in the new window we want to driver dot find element by XPath, put our XPath here, dot, click, and since it automatically closes the window, click the element, since it automatically closes the window, we do not have to close it, but usually if it doesn't, then we can close the window also. So now we just switch back, driver dot switch to dot, we can either just do default content, or similar to this we can just say dot window and parent handle. It's gonna switch to the parent handle. Switch back to parent window. We have one more way. I just want to write it for reference. Switch to default content, but I'm gonna comment it out so the code doesn't mess up. So that's it. That's all we want to test here. We do not want to make our code lengthy for no reason. And let me just run it now and see what happens. We pretty much got the idea what we are doing. Let's click run, and I'll again walk you guys through this until the Firefox window comes up. We're getting the parent window handle, we're getting all the handles in a set, then we are looping through all the handles one by one. Since there are only two, if the handle is not the parent handle, it's gonna switch the window to that new window, switch the focus. Now we are clicking on the San Francisco and we are switching back to the parent window. That's all we are doing. Looks like Firefox is coming up. Maximizing the window, typing enterprise.com, coming up here, clicking airport, typed SFO there. So you guys notice SFO is here now. So that pretty much concludes the test here, and it did as it promised to do that. Looks good. Few more things maybe I want to show to you guys, maybe not, so I'll just type in few more things for your reference. Like the windows, this thing has other stuff called like switch to frame. So driver dot switch to frame also. So once we have this, we can give the name of the frame that is one thing. One more thing is, in some of the websites, not really common, but you might have seen some alert pop-ups, right? So if you see that, then we can actually go to the alerts also, to that pop-up, and do the action on that, maybe accept the alert or dismiss it. So what we can do in that case is, there is this alert thing, let's say my alert, and equals to, okay, it's again complaining, import alerts from OpenQA Selenium. Now driver dot switch to dot alert, and since the object is created, I can perform the actions with my alert dot, maybe let's say accept or my alert dot dismiss. So these kind of options also are available. These kind of actions can be performed on the alert boxes also. So I would say just guys find some website, try to find some website, do some practice. Switch window code is already available here. I'll upload it to Udemy and refer it. Try to implement your own, but obviously it's not going to differ so much, but try to type it at least. Do not copy paste. So once you type, you get some practice and use it. Try to find some website with the alerts. Try to implement alerts also. If you have any questions, post it. We'll get back to you. And stay tuned, guys. We'll come in the next video with with a completely new topic, and we'll go more deep dive in the WebDriver series. Thank you, guys.